Hey guys, welcome to Doob's Booze Reviews. Today we're looking at Scratch Distillery's G&T style gin. Scratch Distillery is a distillery a little bit north of Seattle, Washington in a small town called Edmonds. Kim Carrick, the master distiller, only uses organic, non-GMO ingredients to create her spirits. This is their G&T style gin. They use 19 different botanicals to create this gin. So let's give it a try. On the nose, it's definitely citrus forward, but it has a little bit of an earthy citrus to it. Lemon leaves, lime leaves, a little bit of grapefruit leaves, things like that, not necessarily as much of the fruit itself. You get that juniper that you get with a lot of gins. On the palate, it's definitely citrusy, a lot of lemon, grapefruit, a little bit of lime, pretty dry as well. On the finish, it comes across really fruity, like boysenberry or something like that. A cocktail that I know would be really good with this would be a gin and tonic, hence that this is what it's made for. The citrus forwardness of this gin would go really well with the tonic water, and throw a squeeze of lime in there. All those fruit notes would just go really nicely, and the quinine would kind of balance all that out. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite garnish for a gin and tonic is. Mine's rosemary. Overall, this is a pretty good gin, especially I like that they use organic ingredients. I think that's awesome. A good price point for Scratch G&T style gin. If you can get it for under $40, you're definitely looking at a good deal for it. This would be a really good gin to mix with a lot of different stuff. Hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends as usual, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.